You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making Yuyi, a simple egg and rice meal that my grandpa made for me often growing up. Let's get started. What completes this dish is this chili fish sauce called Prik. Check out my last video where I show you step by step on how to make it. And eggs. Add vegetable oil and bring a non-stick pan to medium-low heat. In goes the eggs. Let it set for a moment. Break up the yolk into a marbled design. Gently crumple up the eggs a bit and then let it set. Cook to your desired doneness. I like it medium well done. Serve it over jasmine rice. Slices of cucumber. Thai basil and mint. And Vietnamese ham. Add Prik. And enjoy. The eggs are delicate and comforting to eat with the rice, balanced by the crispness of the cucumbers and freshness of the herbs, and the nostalgic savoriness and spiciness from the sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.